Hi everybody, this is Spläshini, back another day with an unboxing. And this is actually not even for me, so it sort of feels weird to open it. It's a birthday gift. But since I have a discount code for you at Gaston Luga, I want to show you and just do the video to show you the discount code. So the discount code is 15%, it's Spläshini15. When offered discount code, I always choose Spläshini15. So a good friend's daughter just turned 15 the other day, and usually my go-to things to buy to people are bags or shoes. And I only buy shoes to shoes are more special, mainly because I'm very superstitious, so I don't give shoes to anybody and to anyone. So bags are, I like bags, all kind of bags. So Christmas gifts and birthday gifts, I give away bags. And a young girl turning 15, I felt that a sling bag would be wrong for her. That is too I don't want to say, at least here in Sweden, that is not good. And a backpack would feel a little bit too childish, school childish. So I found this at Gaston Luga. And I bought a bunch of things from Gaston Luga, and I recommend their bags because they are very durable. They have their own material that is sort of waterproof, weatherproof. And I just felt that this one could be nice for a young girl to have her phone and her daily stuff in it without it looking like a boy sling bag or a child school bag. So yeah, and I like the color as well. I like it. Good for a young woman turning older. I wouldn't say, did I say woman? A young girl turning into a woman. It was what I didn't want to say. So this strap you can adjust, so you can have it as a shoulder strap, but mainly you have it for a hand strap. But you can adjust it so it gets longer, and you can fold it away like it came. And then on the inside we have a waterproof pocket to have your card and money, maybe your phone if you have a smaller phone, and then two large pockets. All right, and a real shoulder strap as well. So that's nice. So a long crossbody, crossbody strap. So that's nice. I absolutely think she will like it. I really like the color. And yeah, Cloud Cream is the name of the color, and the model is called Spläshini. Nice bag. She will probably be happy for it. I hope she will use it. So discount code is Spläshini15. Check the link in the description, but discount code is Spläshini15. If I can, I will put it on the screen as well. And it gives you 15% of anything on Gaston Luga. And I've bought a bunch of things from them. Several backpacks. They have a duffel bag, a weekend bag that I'm sort of thinking about. Oh, they even have backpacks with pockets for sneakers and basketball. I like those. And I gave away a sling bag this Christmas. I bought a bunch of Gaston Luga things during the years. And this bag wasn't expensive. With my discount code, I think it was like $65, $60, something like that. So yeah, perfect gift. That's it. I will post pictures, yada yada yada, and put it in the box again. Thanks for watching.